Approximate solution. Hello dear friends, welcome to my channel. Today's discussions is calculus of variations. Let's start to discuss an approximate solution z equals to z0 z0 x comma y to the problem of optimizing the functional I z x comma y double integration d del z by del x whole square plus del z by del y whole square minus z dx dy, and where d is thus minus 1 to 1 and minus 1 to 1, and z equals to 0 on the boundary of the square is solution. We need to know some theory that z0 is equal to I equals to 1 to n phi 1 I x comma y, where alpha I constants and constant functions and phi r are linearly independent in D, and z0 is equal to phi 1 alpha 1 phi 1 x comma y and phi 2 x comma y, where phi 1 and phi 2 continuous function and continuous partial derivatives, and alpha 1 and alpha 2 is constant. Another factors, friends, you have to remembering topic that z0 is equal to alpha phi x comma y, where alpha is constant and phi x comma y is equal to continuous in D. So friends, you have to remember this portion. So now I just minimize because you can check total total format, because this is the questions and this is my total note. This portion is note. You have to remembering note, and this is very important for the calculus of variations. Okay, so now let's start to solve. Let's start to find out z comma x comma y. So how can I write z x comma y? That this way, if I can write this way, so z x comma y is equal to c 1 minus x square into 1 minus y square. So 1 minus x square, 1 minus y square, and functional. The given functional is I equals to double integration d zx whole square plus zy whole square minus 2z into dx into dy. Okay, so I can write this way. So whatever I get the after x is equal to and also x and y value is given, range is minus 1 to 1 1 to 1. So we can write this way, that not d, that it is minus 1 to 1 minus 1 to 1, and differentiating with respect to x, and 4 c square x square 1 minus y square whole square plus 1 square whole square one minus x square and 1 minus y square. So at first I used double integration -1 to 1, and in here I just integrating, so with respect to x. Okay, so I get 1 minus y square 4c square x cube divided by 3. This is even function, so it is 0. Okay, no problem, just I am showing. And 4c square y square 1 minus x square 1 minus x square whole square. So just we need to use the a minus b whole square formula, simple formula, that 1 minus 2x square minus 2x square minus 2x square plus x to the power 4 x to the power 4. Okay, this is the value. So I get x minus 2x cube divided by 3 plus x to the power 5 divided by 5. Now again I differentiate this part, integrated this part, that y square and x minus x cube by 3 I get in here, and just putting -1 to 1 dy. Hope it is clear. Now x cube by 3, this function, if I am putting the 1 and 1, so it would become -1 to 1 1 minus y square into 8c square divided by, I hope it is clear. And now it is 4, then it is 2 minus 2 by 5, sorry, this plus 2 by 5 minus 4 by 3. Okay, so this way I can write, and minus 1 minus y square, and it can be written as, so this way I can write. And okay, 1 to 1 is totally limit I have already I am putting the limit total, so I need to close this bracket, and dy I write in here. Calculation is tough, but if we can practice, then we can easily solve this problem. 8c square by 3, and after in here when I get, okay, it is whole square 1 minus y square whole square, this is the whole square. So again I am putting in here, so when 1 minus y square is equal to y minus 2y cube divided by 3 plus y to the power 5 divided by 5, this is the one, y minus y cube, this is the different integrations. 2 into 5, 5 into 3 is equal to 15. 15 and 15 into 2, 30. 30 into 6, 36. 36 minus 20, this is the 16. 16 into 4 is equal to 64 divided by 15. Okay, this is my calculation. If you get wrong, so you will comment me, then it is y cube divided by 3. Okay, y cube divided by 3 and minus 8. This is minus 8 by 3 because 6 minus 2 is equal to 4. 4 into 2 is equal to 8 by 3 into c into y minus y cube divided by 3 and minus 1 to 1. And again, when I put the value in here, so I get 8 c square divided by 3, 2 into 2 plus 2 by 5 into 2 divided by 3. 2 divided by 3. So 64 into 15 into c square into 2 divided by 3. 8 by 3 into c and 2 minus 2 divided by 3. Okay, so it is 3. So if I calculation, so I get after calculation, okay, 8 by 3 and this calculate after calculating 4 by 5, so it is 16 by 15 and it is 128 by 45, 45 c square and 8 minus 8 by 3 and into in between 32 by 3 into c equals to 0. No problem. So 32 by 3, sorry, 9 equals to 0. So I common the in here, so I can write this way: 32 by 45 equal to 8c square minus 5c. So we get di by dc equals to 0. So this is my I. Okay, di by this is my I. Di by dc equals to 0. So whatever I get I that implies 16 c minus 5 equals to 0. That means c is equal to 5 by 16. So my answer is zx comma y, the approximate solution is zx comma y equals to 5 by 16 into 1 minus x square into 1 minus y square. Thanks for watching. I hope it is clear for everyone. Just check, review that total work because you total PDF you will check. Okay, this way please check total PDF. Okay, I hope it is clear for everyone. Please check each step you check, and this note also you will check and write everything. I hope it is clear and for everyone very simple, but calculation is very tough, and also check my calculation. Thanks for watching.